Although most people prefer real grass over artificial, there's no denying that natural grass is awfully expensive. Creating a lush, beautiful lawn with natural grass requires much more time and investment than artificial grass. So why not switch to something more affordable? Beautiful lawns at half the cost. With artificial grass, you can create beautiful landscaping without spending a fortune. Artificial grass requires minimal maintenance. Save time and money with artificial grass. Our turf is designed to look and feel like real grass while being low maintenance and cost-effective. Plus, our turf is designed to last for years. No more mowing or watering. Enjoy a beautiful lawn without the hassle of mowing or watering. With our artificial turf, you don't have to worry about weeds or pests either. Enjoy your free time while still having a perfect lawn all year round. Peace of mind with pet-friendly grass. Artificial grass is pet-friendly and non-toxic, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your furry friends are safe. If you want information about the products, contact us. You can get a free quote.